I know what you're all thinking. How did you survive the night?
What the fuck is?
Big smile.
Proof as to how moronic it is to do mukbangs, well, Nikocado Avocado, he explains it best. Just look at how he transitioned. 2018, a lot slimmer, looked to be a lot healthier. Fast forward several years later, doing mukbangs, and he's gained so much weight that even the clothes that he sells for himself, he doesn't even fit into. So well said, the final boss of mukbang, most famous mukbanger in the United States, Nikocado Avocado. But he knew he couldn't do this forever. Even Nikocado Avocado, he's a smart guy. He knew he couldn't become morbidly obese and keep doing it, because if he did, eventually, not gonna last.
Your eyes look like you smoke.
I don't.
It also looks like you have leukemia.
That's because I smell you. You're gonna be single soon, sweetie.
Wow.
You know, fat people usually have very nice skin.
They do.
Yeah, very soft.
Not on my back, though.
Marshmallowy. Oh, your back is full of boils.
Not on my back.
Oh, his thighs too. They're full of boils.
That's not true.
Yeah. You literally popped a boil when you showed me.
Oh, let me lift up my stomach. I can't see.
Oh, and his fupa. Under the fupa, there's a bunch of.
No, there's not. Excuse me, this one says SK. Skinny! Or skank. Which one applies?
Is it?
SK. Skinny or skank? What do you think it means?
Skunk.
I told him.
Yeah, we tried to sleep together for the first time in a long time because we've been sleeping in separate beds forever because I don't like sleeping with him because I don't like him. So we've been sleeping separate. So we tried sleeping together again.
That's the wrong narrative.
Our therapist Trisha told us to sleep together.
That's the wrong narrative I want to put up there. It's supposed to be that scientifically sleeping together disturbs your REM sleep cycles. Don't believe it. Say it.
Oh look, it's a beanbag in a hurry.
Hey, on the page. A 500-pound girl.
You mean 600-pound girl?
And a moment in the
600 lbs actually is the truth. That's my weight gain goal.
Yeah, you rigged your scale. You're actually 600.
Well, excuse me, I have other people to feed this.
Actually, it's white bee.
9 out of 10 times, I do prefer white bee.
Yeah, but 1 out of 10 times you prefer honey buns.
Now, excuse me, I'm trying to plan for these unprecedented times, so I spent $2,500 on some snacks and nutritious treats.
Damn, boy, he's
So you really expect them to believe that you're only eating a dainty 1,500 calories?
When you look like this?
How are you maintaining the size, sweetie?
I actually don't know. My body hates me.
My body discriminates and disparages myself.
Oh, is it because the car? Are you stressing and swelling in the car?
I actually am.
Or the scooter? Medical mystery? How someone can't shower for an entire year. What are you gonna do with all this food, sweetie? Are you gonna put it in a container? Containers in containers?
Oh yes, well I have to buy, I have to buy containers to put these into.
Why? Why do you have to do that?
Because no one likes to see labels. That's for the peasants. For the peasants. For the poor. For the unfortunate, starving, little I identify as rich. And I mean, I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
More. Excuse me. Can't even get through. Can't even get through my house.
To move, and as a result, you don't burn as many calories. It's a pity there aren't any wheels on your chair, right, Arnie?
Peasants, it's me, King Nikocado. I have an emergency. Excuse me. Do I use a tray? Do I rise my food up? It looks like a bird took a shit in my hair. Little nasty rat's nest.
What do you need?
I don't even look like that.
You look like Snorlax. Put that mitt down.
I'm gonna give you a Amber Turd treatment if you don't stop. No, this is not having a change. What did you do to your ugly face? I made it pretty.
There's no such remedy.
I put a little gloss and shimmer, shimmer because. No. Oh, no, don't touch me, don't touch me. It's good enough. They forgot my extra cheese. Give me my phone. Bring me your phone. Do you have your phone on you? I'm not using my phone because it has Nikocado avocado. Give me your phone. It's going into the trash. You think you're all like prim and proper? Ooh.
God, you're ugly today.
I just showered. What are you talking about?
Objection. Hearsay.
Hearsay. They can see with their eyes. You guys.
Objection. Leading.
I'm leading to describe that I look attractive.
Objection. Hearsay.
It's not hearsay, you bitch. I actually. Ew! Look at you and your big words.
Objection. Leading.
You know, I'm gonna lead you down outside and give you a knuckle sandwich.
Objection. Hearsay.
From Amazon, they deliver to your door. If you want to be a mukbanger too, it's really easy.
You just gotta gain 200 pounds. Really easy.
This is not enough. This is a disgrace.
Your face is a disgrace.
This is a disgrace. Holy cow.
You are a cow.
Sit. Sit.
I gotta take off my dentures.
Okay, go back.
Come on, waddle in.
Did you just call me Waddle In?
Objection.
Don't speak about my dietitian. Leave. Don't speak about my dietitian like that. She is an expert. Hammer's license is not valid here. It's from Alabama, not from Florida. She's from Tennessee. She's from Alabama. She's from Tennessee. Don't lie about Hammer. This is my dietitian, not yours. She's an expert.
I'm making you fat.
Jeepers creepers. I've actually lost 2 pounds. My whole life has changed.
So you went number 2.
My... Okay. We have a big old burrito. Ooh, do they label them for us?
No,
where are the
they did not.
stickers?
They did not do anything.
I'm calling.
Objection. It's hearsay.
Nick, edit this out.
You're too practical. You're too lazy.
Nick, edit this out.
All they hear is heavy breathing on the other side.
Nick, edit. Okay, peasants.
Can you hurry up?
Don't throw your shell.
I'm not throwing any.
You're gonna. These are precious noodles I got from Asia.
Don't bring the Asians into this.
The Asians are already here because I eat their food.
They don't want you to eat their food. They make fun of their haircuts.
I don't make it.
You say that chicken looks like a K-popper.
It does look like a K-popper. Look at his hair. K-pop is written all over this K-pop. This is Koreans.
That is. You know, if you don't know how to use it, you just put it down. Put it down.
Stand back. You peasants. You've ouch. My finger.
Ooh, you got fat on your fingers.
It's just water weight. Get my chopstick. I don't know where it is and I can't see. Don't.
What?
I thought you were gonna.
I love you.
Having noodles. Orlin, where's the cheese? Between my. That's disgusting. Edit that out. I peel it back and clean it extra good.
Well, that's where the cheese is. That's where the cheese is.
No, it's not. I haven't had cheese down there since March 17th.
I'm not cleaning out that cheese.
Go get me.
You can't clean it. You can't reach and you can't see.
I can reach just fine with the stick.
When's the last time you saw it? Told you.
Not when I'm sitting. Orlin, go get me my.
You can't see it when you're
Go
standing.
get my shred. 1.
And you can't see it on the mirror because your fupa covers it.
2.
What do you need, honey?
2.5. Cheese. 2 and 3/4.
These nuts. Got him!
Do this, you guys. When I had this, I was like screaming, and it was so painful to digest.
Are you talking about that one time you had a salad?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Because it includes the chicken skin. Oh, this has chicken skin. I just ate some chicken skin. I ate the skin. I licked the skin. I swallowed the skin. Excuse me. Orlin, get in here now. That was so good. So good.
What's wrong now?
Put it on camera mode. I need to do a thumbnail eating this chip. Oh.
What?
You're gonna make. These are so. I'm gonna starve.
You need to be.
He grabbed his shoe. He was about to commit an act of violence on my channel. Don't be waving. Ouch!
You're too slow.
That's dirty shoes on my food.
Actually, you got the shoes dirty. They were clean before they touched you.
Put it on camera mode now.
Look at my shoe. Now it's infected. I'm gonna have to stir up.
Shut up. Ouch! 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 Stop! Ouch! Ouch! What's wrong with you?
That I married you. That's what's wrong with me. And I'm taking one.
I'm gonna starve.
I've ever been.
What's that? I don't know.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Hey! Build the helicopter. And off to the rescue. Prepare the lifeline. Lower the stretcher. And make the rescue. The new emergency collection from Lego City.